How to use the driver's mobile app. Today we're going to learn how to operate the driver's mobile app. In this example, we have a run that is assigned to a driver. And we have a booking that we plan on this run. When the driver is assigned to the run, ChainX sends a push notification to the driver. We open the driver's app, click Requests, and swipe the requested run to accept it. When we want to start the run we accepted, click To Do Items, and select the run we're going to start, and click Start. Back in the web app, we can see in the calendar that the driver has started this run. We now go to the driver that is about to pick up the load in the booking we planned on this run. In the app, we select the booking and pick the packages. ChainX suggests to pick the booked number of packages, but the driver may change the quantity if required. When we deliver the booking, we can again modify the quantity, if required. We can enter comments and add a photo. This will be saved to the booking. We click Drop in the app and ChainX now knows that this booking is delivered. When we have delivered all bookings in the run, we can end the run. Back in the web app, we can now see that the booking is delivered. And in the calendar, we can see that the run is ended. Now we learned how to use the driver's app. We plan a booking to a run. We assign the run to a driver. The driver gets a push notification. The driver accepts the run request. The driver then starts the run and picks up the packages in the booking. We can follow all events in the web app, as they happen.